Here are the top 10 airplane disasters in the world, based on fatalities and overall impact on aviation history. 1. Tenerife Airport Disaster, 1977. Location: Tenerife, Canary Islands, Spain. Fatalities: 583. Summary: two Boeing 747s, KLM and Pan Am, collided on the runway in heavy fog after a series of miscommunications between pilots and air traffic control. Impact: the deadliest aviation accident in history. 2. Japan Airlines Flight 123, 1985. Location: Mount Takamagara, Japan. Fatalities: 520. Summary: a faulty repair led to explosive decompression, resulting in the loss of control and crash into a mountain. Impact: deadliest single aircraft accident. 3. Charkhi Dadri Mid-Air Collision, 1996. Location: near Delhi, India. Fatalities: 349. Summary: a Saudi Arabian Airlines Boeing 747 and a Kazakhstan Airlines Ilyushin IL-76 collided mid-air due to miscommunication and failure to maintain altitude. Impact: led to major changes in Indian airspace management. 4. Turkish Airlines Flight 981, 1974. Location: Ermenonville Forest, France. Fatalities: 346. Summary: a cargo door blew out mid-flight, causing rapid decompression and loss of control. Impact: prompted design changes in DC-10 aircraft. 5. Saudi Arabian Flight 163, 1980. Location: Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Fatalities: 301. Summary: fire broke out in the cargo hold shortly after takeoff. The plane landed safely, but evacuation was delayed, leading to all passengers dying from smoke inhalation. Impact: highlighted importance of evacuation protocols. 6. Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370, 2014. Location: disappeared over Indian Ocean. Fatalities: 239, presumed. Summary: the Boeing 777 vanished en route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. Despite extensive searches, wreckage was only partially found. Impact: raised major questions about aviation tracking and safety. 7. Iran Air Flight 655, 1988. Location: Persian Gulf. Fatalities: 290. Summary: shot down by the U.S. Navy cruiser USS Vincennes after being mistaken for a hostile aircraft. Impact: controversial incident with long-lasting diplomatic consequences. 8. American Airlines Flight 191, 1979.